Hey guys, please consider this before watching my video. A lot of things went wrong in this video, but know that I tried my best to edit everything together and to put everything together. Yeah, please really think about what I have to go through, knowing that I'm only 12 years old and I have to go through a lot to make these videos for you guys. Please know that, because the editing was really hard and I didn't really get to do all that I could, and the camera kept on shaking and the video kept on stopping. So please consider that until while you're watching the video. Please like and subscribe. That's all I can say. You'll see the rest later. What's up guys, it's Rocky Raccoon here. And I know yesterday I said I would have a video of me going to Rock and Jump. Sadly, my dad had my phone and my brother's phone was dead, so I wasn't able to do that. Since I couldn't do that, today I'm going to be riding my dirt bike and I'm going to take you guys along with me. I'll catch this recording up once I'm outside with my dirt bike. Okay guys, I'm now outside and I'm now going to start my dirt bike. I really don't know where to put my phone so you guys can see maybe my facial reaction or where I'm going. I don't know. For now, I'm just gonna try to put the camera right here, maybe? Hold up. No, the camera's not gonna work there. How? I'm trying to find a place to put the camera. Those are some ratchet girls. Yes, very ratchet. I don't know. I'll just hold the camera. I'm going to start my bike now, though. You guys probably can't hear me anyways. But let me just put the phone down. I'm just going to put it on the ground. You can hear my beautiful beast of a machine. Now you can see my beautiful beast of a machine if you can hear me. It's legit, okay? It's legit. It's not no $10 electric bike. It's a $600 gas bike from Coolster. So, yeah. Let me just put this into gear and I'll have to ride around with one hand like a boss trying to record myself. Okay, so it's in first gear. Okay. Let's see this. How this is gonna work. Let me turn myself around. Just gotta move some shiznit out the way. Okay. What? Probably. You have to ask Paul. By the way, I'm talking to my brother, the one that I called a doofus in recent videos. Okay, let's get back on the bike.
You can't put a coat on? Can't put a coat on? Hold up.
Okay, guys, I just decided that I'm not going to be able to show you me riding my dirt bike. But wait. My brother is. He's going to be on my back porch, just, yeah, looking at me ride around with the phone. Hopefully he can get some good videoing. Yeah, he's basically just going to follow me around with the phone. Today he's going to be my cameraman, so if I have some bad camera angles or whatever, it's his fault, okay? All his fault. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Guys, in the last clip, I mentioned that I can only ride in my backyard, but my parents, for YouTube reasons, let me ride in the street so you guys can get a better angle of me riding my dirt bike. Clay, you want me to show them you?
No.
You want me to show them your face? No. What you're doing right now?
No.
No?
No.
No. Okay. You'll be seeing me go up and down the street, and then you'll see me go around my house maybe once or twice, and then I'll probably end the video off with a wheelie attempt. Yeah, a wheelie attempt. And then salute you guys goodbye. That'll be it for the video. I don't know why I'm saying this all now in the middle of the video, but whatever. So I'm just waiting for my brother to do something so he can record me, and then I'm all set. Okay, you guys just saw me go up and down the street, but now I'm going to show you from my perspective. I'm going to end this clip here. I'm going to show you another clip of me going up and down the street. So, yeah. Okay, guys, you ready? Okay, let's go. Just gotta start my dirt bike real quick. I might get weird angles here of the ground, but that's okay. I will not be going as fast as I was, but let's do this thing. Oh my god, I don't think I can do this, guys. Hold on, let me just stop this real quick. By the way, I'm sorry if the camera's wobbling a lot because of the power! Sorry if the camera is really bumpy. I bet this might get dislikes for the bumpiness of the camera. I don't really have like a selfie stick that I could just shove up my shirt and you could get like a first person view where my eyes are. I'm sorry for that. But I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'm not gonna try to do a wheelie on camera because it was really hard enough to drive with the phone in my hand. I was scared I was going to drop it. So if I'm going to attempt a wheelie, then I'm definitely going to drop my phone. So I'm going to end the video here. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Have a good day. And bye.